welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to be doing is I've got lots of these stamps that I use when I make my cards, and they're really pretty, but I want to see if I can make some silicone moulds out of them so that I can cast in them in resin, because I think they'd make lovely decorations on the tree or somewhere else. Now, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I want to give it a try. I like to get the most out of every one of my materials. So I've got my casting boxes set up already with some of the different types of stamps that I've got in them. And these are really quite cheap stamps as well. I haven't used the expensive ones. I've used the cheaper ones. And if you want to know how I make these casting boxes, there is a video available that I'll link at the end of this video to show you how to make them. These are all set up now, so all I need to do is I will definitely be giving them a spray of this, because if not, I don't think it will demold very well from the actual silicone mold, the silicone on the silicone. And this is just a silicone release spray, and I'll give it a few quick sprays, let it sit for a few seconds, and then I will pour on my silicone. So I've mixed up my silicone, and I will put links to everything that I've used in the description below. So check out those links. You just need to click them on it and it will take you to it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos and my future experiments. So I'm not going to need to pour this very deep at all, because these are quite thin molds. So I'm only going to be pouring a little bit over it. I also find that any homemade molds that I make actually lasts so much longer than molds that you buy. I'll leave this now for probably at least 5 hours, and then I will come back. I'll show you what they look like demolded, and then we'll make some little decorations out of them if it's worked. These have cured now and they've gone completely hard, so I literally have to just take out the casting from the casting pot, and it comes out nice and easy, and it's because you've used release spray. So as you can see, some of it actually bled underneath. Well, I'm not bothered about that, because what I will do is I will go round and cut them out anyway, so that it's easy to cast. Oh look, that's come out lovely. It's come out really well. I've trimmed them up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some Christmas tree decorations. The nice thing is they're not going to be thick. They're going to be quite nice and light, but they are going to be detailed. And the stamps actually came out no problem. There's no damage to these stamps whatsoever. In fact, I would say they're cleaner now than they were when they went in, which is always a bonus. My trial ones with these moulds have now finished, so let's quickly have a look at those. I'm quite excited about these. Yeah, they seem to be coming out quite well. I mean, I think some of them, like this one here, I would have been better off choosing a stamp without too much edge around it. But actually, I quite like that anyway, and I could have put more detail on it like I did with this one, which is the present, and I do quite like that. So it's the star one oh, that is absolutely beautiful. I'll make a great hanging decoration. And all I'll do is I'll get my Dremel, I'll just drill a little tiny hole through there and put a nice little bit of pretty thread on it, and then you've made a really easy, cheap decoration for a tree or a wreath or anything like that. And what you've done is you've made your stamps go that extra distance. So you're getting a lot more work out of your stamps that you've already paid for. So you don't just have to use them on your card making. You can use them on, oh, I love the reindeer. You can use them to make molds with. Worked really well. That's quite cute. And again, I would just put a little hole through that, and that could hang there like that. There we go, that's them all laid out, and I really am pleased with how they've come out. I like the way that the little clear one has come out too. I think that's come out very well. I think that would make a great little addition. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos that are coming up. Also, take a look at the join button, because I have a members only area. This is really starting to take off, and the actual VIP Facebook group attached to that members area is really starting to take off as well. If you want to know how I do the details and the decal to make the transfers as well, then check out the video that's coming up now. Enjoy your resin. Take care. Bye.